Hello everyone, I am Soumya Vasudev with my friend Shreya Chhatri. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2023-24. The theme of our project is inclusivity. The title of our project is Think Paradise. Team name Innovator Paradise. Team members are I, Soumya Vasudev and Shreya Chhatri. Problem statement of our project is devise a fun, gamified way for students to build skill like problem solving, spatial learning, negotiation and pattern recognition. Why are we choosing this particular area? Benefits of this approach includes fostering a positive learning environment where students willingly invest time and effort, leading to improved retention of informational and skill. Gamification provides immediate feedback, allowing students to learn from their mistake and refine their strategy. Through interactive challenge and scenarios, students can apply problem-solving skill in dynamic situations, honing their ability to think, crucial and adapt. Spatial learning is the spatial thinking is developed as students navigate virtual environment or solve puzzles, and negotiation skills are refined through interactive scenario where collaboration and decision making are crucial. Pattern recognition is naturally honed as students identify trends and connection within the game context. Overall, a fun and gamified approach not only makes learning enjoyable but also promote development of essential connectivity skills in dynamic and interactive manner, preparing students for real world challenges. Brief explanation of salient feature of proposed solution and how is the proposed solution solving the problem statement. Designing a fun and gamified approach for students to develop skills such as problem solving, spatial learning, negotiation and pattern recognition can enhance engagement and learning outcome. Here are some salient feature and points to consider in the design. Objectives: progressive levels, storyline integration, interactive challenges, reward system, collaborative elements, feedback mechanism, adaptive learning, real world application, users friendly interface, analytic and tracking, cross disciplinary approach, flexibility and creativity. By incorporating these features, a gamified learning environment can be effectively engage students in building problem solving, spatial thinking, negotiation and pattern recognition skill while making the learning experiences enjoyable and motivating. What makes our solution innovative and different? Introducing MindQuest Challenge, a cutting-edge interactive learning game where students embark on a visual journey through diverse realm solving real-world scenario. In this multiplayer experience, problem solving puzzles demand collaboration, negotiation, challenge, encourage strategic thinking, and spatial tasks enhance connectivity and flexibility. The game adapts to individual progress, ensuring personalized skill development. What sets MindQuest apart is its use of augmented reality, engaging students in dynamic, immersive environment. Through a mixed storytelling and intricate challenges, MindQuest sparks curiosity, fostering a passion for learning. It is not just a game; it is an innovative educational adventure that transfers abstract skill into tangible achievement. Application area offers solutions such as location, scenario, and user's profile, where the prototype can be developed. Adventure queues can be accessed online or through a dedicated app, making it accessible to students with different devices. Teachers can interact the game into their curriculum, customizing quests to align with specific learning objective. Benefits: first, engaging and immersive learning experience. Second, encourages independent thinking and decision making. Third, fosters a positive attitude towards problem solving. Fourth, provide a safe place for students to experiment with negotiation and collaboration. Now I want to hand over this presentation to my friend Shreya.
Thank you, Soumya, for handovering me the presentation. Now, I, Shreya Chhatri, I will continue the presentation further. What ATL tools, technologies have you used in the development? Game development, platforms, programming languages, game design tools, virtual reality, VR, or augmented reality, AR collaboration tools. Ground testing and application. Title: Think Paradise, the interstellar puzzle challenge. Once upon a time, in a galaxy not so far away, a group of students embarked on a thrilling space adventure known as the Think Paradise. The Galactic Academy, renowned for its innovative approach to education, devised a fun and gamified way to help students build initial skills like problem solving, spatial thinking, negotiation, and pattern recognition. This story begins with a message from an extraterrestrial civilization called the Puzzlorians. These friendly beings, known for their love of challenges, have created an intricate puzzle that hold the key to unlocking the secret of the universe. The Galactic Academy, always eager to foster learning through excitement, decided to turn this cosmic mystery into a gamified educational experience for its students. The Think Paradise was designed as an interactive, immersive game that unfolded in various stages. Each stage presented a different challenge related to space exploration, scientific problem solving, and teamwork. Here's how the Think Paradise unfolded with Stage 1 Mission Launch, Stage 2 Alien Encounter, Stage 3 Galactic Diplomacy, Stage 4 Cosmic Pattern Recognition, Stage 5 Cosmic Convergence. The Galactic Academy innovative approach, the education turned the cosmic quest into memorable and effective learning experience. Its students not only honed their problem solving, spatial thinking, negotiation, and pattern recognition skills, but also developed a passion for exploration and a deeper understanding of the wonders of the universe. The thing came a model for gamified education, inspiring students across the galaxy to embark on their own quest for knowledge and discovery. Key job roles and contribution for each team member. Soumya Vasudev, overall research preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection, research and survey on skill upgradation. Third, participation in ideation development of prototype and planning for video shooting, registration and submission of project. Shreya Chhatre, first, overall research preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection, research and survey on skills upgradation, participation in ideation development of prototype and planning for content development. Third, overall contribution and submission. Thank you for watching our presentation.